Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from Straight Talk to Mint Mobile, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, you're going to come to this page, okay? This page right here, check compatibility, choose your carrier. So for us, will be Straight Talk. So you're going to check the compatibility, okay? So you're using Mint Mobile's own compatibility checker. Just search that phrase on Google and you come to this page. So basically what we're doing is we're confirming if our phone is compatible and unlocked, okay? And then you need to gather account details, right? So what you need to do is you need to log in to your Straight Talk account, or you can call them to get your account number, PIN, and billing address. And then what you need to do is you need to purchase a Mint Mobile plan. So you can choose a plan and a SIM option. Mint Mobile offers a 5 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, and an unlimited data plan. So you can choose a physical SIM card or an eSIM for instant activation. Then go ahead and activate your plan. So go to mintmobile.com/activate. Okay, go here and follow the steps to activate your plan. And then you can transfer your phone number. So you want to select the option to transfer your number to Mint Mobile. And you'll need your account number, PIN, and billing zip code. Okay, really that easy and simple, guys. And make sure you don't cancel your old service. You wait until your number has been transferred to Mint Mobile before canceling your Straight Talk service. You don't want to lose your number. So I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.